Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Todoist AI features to instantly organize your task list and keep your day perfectly structured. Whether you are juggling personal tasks, managing work projects, or trying to stay consistent with your daily tasks, Todoist AI helps you prioritize, categorize, and streamline everything with just a few prompts. We will walk through how to let the AI sort your tasks, suggest smart labels, create automatic priorities, and turn chaotic lists into a clean, actionable plan. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use today's AI to stay organized, save time, and maintain productivity without overwhelm. So let's start sign up at this website with the start for free. Okay, so I just selected the start for free. I have also provided this website link in our description of this video. You can just simply click on the link and you will reach to this website. So let's sign up with the Google account. So here I'll select my Google account here, then again continue. So in this way our account will be successfully created at todoist.com website. Okay, so now it will take us to our dashboard, but before that we have to fill this short survey. Let's go next. For myself, I read them on a paper, a digital note. I create even in, I try to remember them. Okay, so we will go with the, we will skip this for now. Okay, so when you sign up on this website, you will also get a tutorial, basic tutorial from the website. Okay, you can watch this tutorial if you want. After that you have to click on this continue button, and here you can see that we are in the inbox section. Here you can add your tasks so that you can plan later. Okay, so let's say submit travel by the next vet. So yes, here you can add your task like I have a meeting. I have a meeting next Thursday. Okay, I have a meeting this Thursday. Okay, so that's how you can add your priority. You can add reminder as well. You can label them. You can add the location and the deadline as well. So after that, you can just put it into your projects inbox. So after that, you can just click on the add task, and this task will be added. Okay, so you can see that I have added a meeting for the. This is one is for tomorrow. Okay, so in this way, you can add multiple tasks here, so that I have to travel to New York on Friday. Okay, so I have mentioned this Friday. So as you can see, it has already selected Friday, and you can also select the dates and the month. Okay, so let's say we want to this for on 14. Okay, 12. Okay, so that's how you can see that it has automatically added the details. You can add the priority on priority first, and after that you add task, and that's how your second task will be added. As you can see, it has marked as red because it's the urgent task here. After when you do this task, you can also add set date. You can comment on the task. After you can also add like date. You can add deadlines, reminder. Okay, so you can also move it to, or you can also delete the task as well. So when the task is upcoming, you will see it here, or you can also see it on the today's section. Okay, if the task is related to today. So after that, when the tasks are completed, you can mark them as complete, and these tasks will show up here. Okay, so that was all about today's AI, how you can use it to manage all your checklists or just checklist or your personal daily life. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.